How to respond to a debt collection letter and protect your rights. Getting a debt collection letter can feel overwhelming, but addressing it promptly is crucial. Ignoring it can lead to escalating consequences, including legal action, wage garnishment, and a damaged credit score. Here's how to respond effectively to regain control of your financial situation. Ignoring a debt collection letter can lead to serious financial consequences, including legal action. If you ignore the letter long enough, collectors may file a lawsuit. Damaged credit score. Debts sent to collections can severely lower your credit score. Additional fees. Unresolved debt may accumulate interest, fees, and legal costs. By responding promptly, you protect your rights, verify the debt's legitimacy, and potentially negotiate for better payment terms or a reduced settlement. How the debt collection process works. Debt collection usually follows a multi-step process. 1. Initial contact. The creditor will attempt to contact you via phone, letters, or emails. 2. Charge-off. If you don't pay, the creditor may mark the debt as a loss, but it doesn't go away. It may be handed to a collection agency. 3. Debt buyers. If collections don't succeed, the debt may be sold to a debt buyer who will continue pursuing you. 4. Legal action. If the debt remains unpaid, a debt law firm may get involved, filing a lawsuit to obtain a court judgment. Failure to respond can lead to wage garnishment or even asset seizure if a judgment is made. Steps to respond to a debt collection. Letter 1. Check if the debt is legitimate. If you don't recognize the debt, don't dismiss it immediately. Review your records and confirm whether the debt is legitimate, especially if it's a few years old. If the debt is from a collection agency, they must prove it's valid. If you're uncertain, don't hesitate to ask for a debt validation letter. 2. Send a debt validation letter. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, you have the right to request more information about the debt. Send a letter asking the creditor to provide the amount owed, the name of the original creditor, proof that the debt belongs to you. The creditor must cease collection activity till they provide validation. 3. Respond to the creditor's verification. If the creditor provides verification, review the details carefully. Dispute any inaccuracies and ask for additional information if needed. Check your credit report for errors and dispute incorrect entries with the credit bureaus if necessary. 4. Negotiate a debt settlement. If the debt is valid, consider negotiating a settlement where you can pay a reduced amount. Consequences of ignoring a debt collection letter. 1. Credit score impact. A debt in collections can lower your credit score. 2. Interest and fees. Ignoring a collection letter can cause the debt to grow due to accruing interest, late fees, and potential legal costs. 3. Time-barred debt. You may be held liable for debt that is past the statute of limitations. By responding, you can challenge whether the debt is legally collectible. 4. Wage garnishment. Failing to respond to a debt collection lawsuit can lead to wage garnishment, severely impacting your income. By taking prompt action, you can reduce the risk of legal actions, protect your credit, and potentially resolve the debt more affordably. Also know that the FDCPA offers protection against abusive practices by debt collectors. Resolve Legal Plan can help you deal with debt collector letters and calls. The plan is designed to resolve your debts, restore you finances, and rebuild your credit.